if you are a seasoned professional in HVAC or a startup, and if you wanted to understand, like what are those factors, what are those criteria you have to consider it before putting a proposal to your client, then this video can help you. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you yet another video of Mox Lifestyle Hub. As I told you, when you will be doing a bigger air conditioning for bigger spaces, then there are certain factors which you have to consider it, and then accordingly you have to work on your entire project, which will help your order to be bagged, your project to be materialized, and ultimately customer will also get benefited with the solution which you are offering it to your client. So I will take you to my screen share and will crack the code one by one and understand that what is that exactly you have to bear in the mind and how you have to drive this particular factor. So as you could see on my screen, first of all, we need to understand like what is the goal we wanted to achieve as far as HVAC solution for commercial AC use is concerned. So first of all, the prime task what we have in hand is maintaining a comfort for the employee and the customer. When I say maintaining a customer comfort for employees and customer, it is the employee who are working in your organization or a customer who is visiting to the premises where you are going to do a complete air conditioning. So in that process, first of all, we need to analyze like what are the challenges we have. So we got two challenges. First of all, we need to have a optimal comfort because we wanted to have either a heating equipment or a cooling equipment for our comfort. And second one, which is very vital and important, is energy efficient product. So we will deep dive into these two aspects. Considering it, we need to have such a system where we can get optimal comfort and energy efficiency system. So next to that, first of all, we need to understand what is that exactly we want. So when we talk about a bigger requirement, you'll be requiring ACs for your meeting room, kitchen, open area, and you need to have a system which is powerful, flexible, and customizable. Unlike a residential air conditioner where you get a ready-made product, like where we can calculate a thumb rule, like X square feet, we suggest like specific air conditioners. But in commercial uses where you have a huge occupancy and where you are going to do air conditioning for a bigger area, you may be having a more open space where your employees are working. You will have a kitchen area, you will have a meeting rooms. Again, what happens, like meeting room may not be occupied entire day or entire week. So every factor you have to consider in the mind, and you need to have a system which is more powerful, flexible in terms of application, and you can customize it based on the requirement which I told you, like meeting room where you do not have every day most of the time engagement. So these things you have to first of all understand, like what is the need you have for that particular segment, that particular requirement. And then next thing will come energy efficient system. So here what will happen, you have to have a system which will contribute to healthier plant. See, today you have to go with the equipment which is available with the latest technology, where you get latest gas like R32, R410. So these kind of gases are available, and it will help you to minimize ozone damage. So what will happen, like here you get a healthier, your equipment is not going to affect the ambient, affect the planet as far as the energy efficiency concerned. You have to have a cost effective product, and BRF is the one product which comes in my mind, like which will match to all this requirement about what we have, because VRF is the one system which is the latest system, and it can meet up in all each and every criteria. So we'll deep dive into in further the points, like how VRF can able to help you to meeting up your requirement. Now, fifth point will come, air quality management. See, air quality management is very important and vital because it purifies air. You need to have a pure air. It is not like you get a cooling or heating. You need to have a purification. And today, UVC light technology is also available. I will discuss this particular topic in my next video, like how you can utilize your UVC light technology. And moreover, you have to understand like how it is going to impact. So when you have a purifier air, as far as the air quality management concerned, your employee will get a healthier air because most of the day they are working in your open space, open area, and health is the one concern which is very vital in today's scenario. And when you have a purifier air, it will work. It will help your employee to maintain a good health, and same time it will also help you to increase their productivity. So what will happen? The overall, when their health is good and their productivity increases, it will ultimately going to impact on the business front. So it is always suggested to go with the product which has got a air quality management system, and purifier system or purification system is mandatory today. If you are doing a bigger area air conditioning where you have a huge people working in that working space, you should consider air quality management very, very important and vital. Now, sixth point will come, zoning flexibility. As I told you, you need to have a customizable, unlike a residential space. See, what will happen when I talk about zoning flexibility. See, when you have a residential air conditioners, what will happen? Like you get a standard equipment which will just you can fit and forget it. But when you are working with a bigger area where you have a different application, where you have a kitchen, where you will have a meeting room, where you'll have a open workspace, where you'll have a server room. So every application requires a different kind of attention, and VRF is the one product which will help you to customize your solution. So zoning flexibility your equipment should have. If you have a zoning flexibility, it will help you to design and customize your equipment based on the requirement, based on the application. Now, second point will come, periodical maintenance. See, periodical maintenance is one of the very vital topic. What happens, like when you buy any equipment, not only VRF, when you are buying a residential air conditioners, you should have a scheduling inspection. When I say scheduling inspection, you will be regularly doing your filter change, cleaning procedures are taken place. So you should have a proper plan for maintenance. Now, doing this, what benefits you are going to get? You will get unexpected breakdowns will not be happening at. If any problem is going to arise, you will know well in advance, like this problem is going to get arise, and then this can be addressed well in advance. So what will happen? You can avoid unexpected breakdown, and moreover, your equipment longevity will increase. So this will help you in a long run, like your cost on entire running cost. Because what will happen? Equipment you have purchased, but when I say entire running cost, which is your recurring cost, which you are every month paying electricity, when your machine is perfectly all right, when it is properly maintained, so your longevity will increase and it will function in optimal way. That will finally going to impact on your pocket, and it will become your pocket friendly equipment. So periodical maintenance is very important. Now, coming back to conclusion, as I told you, VRF is the one solution which will meet all the requirement what you have. So meet the specific need for each zone, as I told you in the previous the points. Energy optimization, you can do it with VRF. Maintenance comfort is there. So VRF is the one product which will help you to meet on each and every aspect what you are requiring it. So with this, I am closing this video. And if you have any specific issues, any specific challenges, and if you wanted my one-on-one, then I'm giving a link in the description below. Please click the link and see the available slot. And Based on that, you can book an appointment with me where I can see you one on one and I can address your specific challenge. So if you like my video, if you like this topic, please do share and forward to the people who may also get benefited from this. And if you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. So I'll come up with a new topic in HVAC and I can able to, you will get a notified and you can able to get benefit from that for your day-to-day operation. See you in my next video with a new topic where I can able to help you to take your business to the next level. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.